Hi everyone, I'm Liam. Welcome to Global English Voice, the best place to learn English in a simple and powerful way.
And I'm Olivia. In this lesson, we'll share 10 powerful English sentences that you can use every single day.
Do you want to speak English fluently? Without fear, without hesitation, then listen carefully. Because the secret is not memorizing thousands of grammar rules. The real secret is learning and using simple, powerful English sentences every single day.
Yes, these sentences are easy. They are practical. And when you use them every day, your English becomes natural, confident, and strong.
And here's the best part. At the end of this lesson, we'll share the meanings and real-life examples of today's vocabulary. So stay with us till the end. Trust me, this lesson could change the way you speak English forever.
Are you ready? Let's start with our first 5 powerful sentences.
Sentence 1, can you help me, please? This sentence is polite and powerful. Don't be shy to use it. Example, can you help me, please? I don't understand this word.
Yes, use it when you need support. People will respect you when you ask politely.
Sentence 2, that's a great idea.
This sentence shows encouragement. Example, you want to study English every morning. That's a great idea.
When you say this, people feel good and you sound positive in English. Sentence 3, I'm not sure, but I'll try. This one is very important. It shows honesty and courage. Example, I'm not sure I can finish this task, but I'll try.
Yes, listeners, say it with us right now. I'm not sure, but I'll try.
Sentence 4, could you repeat that, please?
This is a lifesaver when learning English. Example, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Don't pretend you understand. Be brave and ask again. It makes you a smarter learner. Sentence 5, I believe in myself. This is not just a sentence. This is a life-changing affirmation. Say it, I believe in myself. Example, I believe in myself. I can speak English fluently.
Beautiful. Every time you say this, you grow stronger. Not just in English, but in life.
These were your first 5 powerful sentences. Short, simple, and life-changing. Are you ready for the next 5? They will make your English even more natural and confident. Sentence 6, what do you mean? This sentence is simple, but very powerful. If you don't understand someone, just say, what do you mean?
Yes. For example, you said it's complicated. What do you mean? It's polite, and it shows you want clarity.
Sentence 7, let's do it together.
This one builds teamwork and connection. Example, this English lesson looks hard. Let's do it together.
When you use this sentence, people feel supported, and you sound like a leader. Sentence 8, I made a mistake, but I'll learn from it. This is a very strong sentence. Mistakes are normal, but when you say this, you show growth. Example, I made a mistake in my English test, but I'll learn from it.
Yes, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are steps to success.
Sentence 9, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Gratitude is powerful. Example, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
When you speak with kindness, people respect you more. And you sound truly polite in English. Sentence 10, today is a new beginning. This sentence is magic. It gives you hope. Example, I made mistakes yesterday, but today is a new beginning.
Say it every morning. Today is a new beginning. It will give you strength for English and for life.
And there you have it. 10 powerful English sentences you can start using today.
They're simple, practical, and full of positive energy.
Now, as promised, let's quickly review some important words from today's sentences.
First word, appreciate. It means to value something. Example, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
Next word, beginning. It means a fresh start. Example, today is a new beginning.
Another word is repeat. It means to say again. Example, could you repeat that please?
And finally, mistake. A mistake is something wrong that you do, but you can learn from it. Example, I made a mistake, but I'll learn from it.
Great job, everyone. Say these words out loud with us. Appreciate, beginning, repeat, mistake.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Remember, these 10 sentences are not just for English. They are for life.
Yes, use them every day. Practice them with confidence, and you will see a big difference in your English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Global English Voice, share this video with your friends, and comment below which sentence will you start using today.
We can't wait to see your answers. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, today is a new beginning.